Have you ever felt caught in a struggle with no way out in sight? It's a universal experience, isn't it? We all face our own battles, our own struggles, whether they're personal, professional, or something that impacts us on a much larger scale. And oh, how these struggles can sometimes feel like intricate labyrinths, where every turn seems to lead to a dead end, and the exit appears to be an elusive dream. Struggles can often leave us feeling powerless, like a ship caught in a tempest, being tossed around by the waves of uncertainty and fear. There's this overwhelming sense of being stuck, of stagnation, as if you're running on a treadmill, working so hard but not really getting anywhere. And yet, isn't it during these times that we grow the most? That we discover strengths we never knew we had, and learn lessons that stay with us for a lifetime? Struggles, as daunting as they may seem, are a part of life's rich tapestry, adding depth, color, and texture to our journey. But what if there's a way to turn these struggles into stepping stones to a better future? Struggles, in their essence, are challenges we face in our journey of life. They come in all shapes and sizes, from personal obstacles to societal hurdles. Whether it's battling an internal demon or standing against an unjust law, each struggle is unique, yet universally relatable. These struggles, as diverse as they are, share one common trait. They are an integral part of our lives. They are the roadblocks on our path, the mountains we must climb, the rivers we must cross. They are as varied as the people who face them, yet they bind us together in shared experience. Struggles can be seen as opportunities for growth, as catalysts for change. They push us to our limits, testing our resilience, our courage, our mettle. They compel us to adapt, to innovate, to evolve. They are the crucibles in which our character is formed and our spirit is tempered. The trick is not to avoid struggles, but to find ways to overcome them. After all, it's through overcoming struggles that we truly understand their nature and learn to transform them into stepping stones on our journey towards growth and success. Take the recent struggle in Arizona, for example. Here we have a fierce battle over the rights and autonomy of women, with the state's abortion ban at the heart of the matter. The Arizona abortion ban is a piece of legislation that sought to severely restrict access to abortion services, and it ignited a firestorm of controversy and protest. On one side, you have lawmakers who believe they are protecting the sanctity of life. On the other, there are advocates who argue that this ban infringes on a woman's right to make decisions about her own body. This isn't just a political issue, it's a deeply personal one, affecting countless women and families across the state. And the impact? The ban, if upheld, would have made it incredibly difficult for women to access safe and legal abortion services. This could lead to dangerous, potentially life-threatening situations for those who feel they have no other option. But remember, in every struggle, there are those who rise to challenge the status quo. Here we see individuals, organizations, and communities rallying together, fighting for their rights, and pushing back against what they perceive as an unjust law. This is a struggle that has been faced head-on, with a solution in sight. In every struggle, there is a potential solution. For Arizona, it came in the form of Supreme Court intervention. This intervention wasn't just a random event, it was a calculated response to a struggle that had been brewing for quite some time. The Supreme Court, the highest court in the land, stepped in to address the Arizona abortion ban. The court's intervention was not taken lightly. After careful deliberation, a decision was reached. The Supreme Court, in its vast wisdom and guided by the Constitution, ruled against the ban. This decision wasn't just about Arizona, it was about the larger principle of personal autonomy and the constitutional right to privacy. The impact of this solution was far-reaching. It sent a clear message that the right to choose is protected, and that any attempts to infringe upon this right will not be tolerated. This decision did not just end a struggle, it set a precedent. A precedent that would guide future battles and struggles around this issue. In the end, the Supreme Court intervention was a beacon of hope amidst the struggle. It showed that even in the face of adversity, solutions can and do emerge. A solution indeed emerged from the struggle. So, what can we take away from this? Well, our journey through the struggle, understanding, and eventual solution of the Arizona abortion ban serves as a powerful reminder. It underlines the reality that every struggle, no matter how daunting, carries within it a potential solution. It's like a puzzle, waiting for the right pieces to fall into place. This isn't just about one particular issue or event. It's a perspective, a mindset, a way to approach our own struggles. It's about having the courage to question, to understand, and most importantly, to seek solutions. It's about not letting the weight of the struggle overshadow the possibility of resolution. Just as the Supreme Court intervened in the Arizona case, there's always a beacon of hope, a light at the end of the tunnel. It might not be immediate, it might not be easy, but it's there. It's a testament to our collective strength, resilience, and our unwavering pursuit of justice. Remember, in every struggle, look for the solution. It's there, waiting to be discovered.